Hey guys, welcome to Phone Tricks and Tweaks, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how you can buy Pitjupiter token. I've gotten it already. This Pitjupiter token, and you can buy Pitjupiter. This is it on your Trust wallet, right? You buy it on your Trust wallet, and you buy on Pancake Swap and you have it on your Trust wallet. All you need to do is to stay to the end of this video and make sure you follow my steps carefully. Smash the subscribe button, turn on bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting videos like this, you'll be among the first to see it. So let's go straight to the video. Now, first and foremost, you go on google.com and you search Pitjupiter token contract address. You click on it, you search for Pitjupiter token contract address. Now from here you can see BSC scanner, you can see Pitjupiter token, and all you need to do is to click on bscscan.com. From here you will get the contract address, you will get every information you need to know about Pitjupiter token. Now you can see BEP20 after overview. In this place there's BEP20. BEP20 means this Pitjupiter supports the Binance Smart Chain, and you can see the Binance Smart Chain symbol on this top very close to Pitjupiter. So all you need to do is, this is the quantity of Pitjupiter supply, the number of orders, the number of time it was transferred, and this is the contract address. Now you copy this contract address, right? When you copy it, you go to your Trust wallet. When you get your Trust wallet, the top of your Trust wallet, you see this bell icon, you see tokens, finance, collectibles, and at the extreme end you click on that icon, those two icons on the extreme end. Then you see search tokens, you scroll to the end. I already have Pitjupiter, so I'm not adding what I have already, but I'll just show you guys. You click on add custom token, right? You now change your network to Binance Smart Chain. So you click on this network. From Ethereum, you click on Binance Smart Chain because that is the network BEP20. That is where we are adding Pitjupiter. So you click on paste. You copy the contract address. When you paste, it's going to show here. Now, because it doesn't, after pasting the contract address, the name, the symbol, and the decimals are not showing, you're going to add them manually, right? The name is Pitjupiter. You write it. The symbol is Pitjup. And if you check here, decimal is 9, but let me show you. If you see, look at it, decimal 9. You click on decimal, you click on 9, right? When you click on decimal, you've added this 3, you click on done. You click here. Now when you click here, you click on done, it will add it on your Trust wallet. This is what you see. Let me show you, because I've added it before. This is it. You see something like this. So this blue tick will be on. It shows that you've enabled Pitjupiter, right? Then the next thing is to buy Pitjupiter. What you're going to do is, on your phone, if you look at the bottom part, you're going to see wallet, the apps, DEX, and settings. You click on the apps. When you click on the apps, you come to Pancake Swap. You click on Pancake Swap, you allow Pancake Swap to load, right? This is where you're going to buy Pitjupiter. Now, you must make sure you have money on your BNB. If you don't have money on your Binance Smart Chain, I have done a video of how to transfer money from your Binance wallet to your BNB on your Trust wallet, or from crypto.com on BNB. Just check my other videos, you're going to see a video on that. So this is what you do. You make sure that this is on Smart Chain. It's already on Smart Chain. If it was not on Smart Chain, you click on it and you make sure it's on Smart Chain. You make sure your Pancake Swap is connected. You see this place here, this place on the top screen that you see a code like 0xe3. If yours is showing connect, click on it. When you click on it, you click on Trust Wallet. So your Trust Wallet will be automatically connected to Pancake Swap. Now, you click on Swap, you come to Exchange, and you put your slippage tolerance to 11. If 11 doesn't work for you, you can come back and change it to 12. But in most cases, 11 will work for version 2. So you make sure the default is your BNB, because you're buying through your Binance Smart Chain, and you paste the address. the address, the Pitjupiter address, you paste it. When you paste it, Pitjupiter will come. Now you will see add. You click on the add and you click on Pitjupiter. You click on Pitjupiter. The next thing is you're going to click on the amount of Binance you want to transfer to Pitjupiter. So let's say I want to transfer 0.003 BNB 0 to my Pitjupiter. This is it. Then the next thing you do is you click on swap. When you click on swap, it will take you to the next page. You click on confirm. When you click on confirm, they'll show you the amount that will be debited and it will go through. If you click on swap, it doesn't work and there's an error, come back to this place. Look at this. I can't do it because I've bought Pitjupiter before. I'm not buying again. You come back to this exchange, this place. You click on these settings and you change your slippage to 12. If you click on 12, you edit here. You click on the settings, you change your slippage to 12. When you click on 12, you press outside, then you continue. You click on swap, it's going to swap it. Some amount will be debited from your account and the Pitjupiter will appear on your Trust wallet. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not buying. I've bought before, but this is how you do it. If you follow these steps accordingly, you are going to buy your Pitjupiter. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, you turn your bell post notification on, so when I drop interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to see it. And when you buy your Pitjupiter, all you need to do, once your transaction is confirmed, you will see it. You will just come to your wallet. In your wallet, you will scroll down, you're going to see Pitjupiter here. This is it, and you see the amount of Pitjupiter that you have. So that is how you buy Pitjupiter on Pancake Swap via your Trust wallet. Thank you. So bye for now.